Weskuru ya Embasi Academy Enoch Morira niga abeirega kwa koboko murobero o CBC na watana nigo babegete meroberi mekiranu yokoine kiabuna CBC nechuo ikiraniwa access kureyo ne chinga kibaye gochengera ogweta kwa boroki wasamatemwa a KCP abasomano mutangani abwate amaxi chiminye na 10 no yo mowerio niga bwata maxi chimisato na 3 na nigo babwate emini ya 375 omurikeita polnarisa kama norobotyo
Ekero chisukuru chigenderete gochengera amatokeo ayuwa bwato getwabwe igoro yekrasi kya 5 na 3 nigo eskuru ya Kisii Embasi Academy nero etaratigwa maega ase ogochengero kuo.
My name is Obed Omonyi from Kisii Embasi Academy. Today I'm very happy, although my expectations were higher. 438 was my expectation to break the record of this school, but although this God's plan, I am so happy to be the top student in Embassy.
First of all, I thank God because all of this would not have been possible without God. As much as I scored 409, I expected much more, like 420 and above.
Ise Obedi Monyonini gasa ngomogokoe ase airaneria skuru mbuya mono akosemeria buna omwana oye nkwegendereria na masomo.
Asa marieta nkoruko mubasta Joseph Omonyi Orwaru nigonde no mogoko monene ase ngencho yogokora buya ku mwana Obed Nyasao mokonyire nainde obeiro goterere skuru ya Stare boys for a long period na bonde no gosemeria nga Nyasao yokoigora chinchera na igore no mwana yagendere na masomo aye igongo ogetekerage ase ngencho skuru yaito ye Embasi ekiagera bakonyiro mwana oyo onyarire gokora buya.
Kinanga Marwanga, I'm a parent here at Kisii Embasi Academy in Kisii. I had a candidate who scored 388. I'm very much happy about it, and I know he's going to get a very good national school.
Korengana no mwarimu monene omokia bwa balimu amona baiboria negento kererete eskuru eyo gokolia buya.
Asama leta nkoro kwa Enoch Morira. Litanga nikapisa ngo mwakera Nyasaye ngambi yamono. Asa matokeo maya atoete ase skuru yaito ya Kisii Embasi. Last year etwabwate mean ya 367 bono twaigete 375 twabwate mean deviation positive deviation of 8 na abaiboli bonsi nko batebi ngambi yamono abaiboli baito babire bagotu support sana araboche abalimu baito babire bagosomia abana buya bakoresira basi mapema twachaka revision ya mapema ekene kikiagerira abana baito baitire and above all amasabana arabeire gento kiengenja ase skuru yaito
gukwanera CBC ni go mwalimu monene atebire babegete emeroberio ao irekwene kiango kolia buya ase omoroberio yuo
ngwakere Nyasaye ngambi yamona ase ngencho being the last slot ya 844 twanyekorira ase encherere ye chinguru mono na intubune skuru yaito nigo twebangete na mangana CBC. In fact, this curriculum was good, but we are even moving to a better curriculum. And that curriculum, eye bago tanga nigo ya renge ya job seekers. Lakini bone togo chiko so ase curriculum ya job creators. Ne skuru yaito ye pangire ntubwata mangana the modern lab, the modern library na ebirasi etubwate bire modern as per the government guidelines tuabere to wepanga keregento kiabeire smooth na onye kohoti ya grade 7 ya kwenda grade 8 they have appreciated
noko na kuo okugania kwa baibori
abana betombia bakorete nande toko semeringa abalimu bamentomo kimono abana baito baitan 14
kuripota ya Ndizi TV ncheria tana porinaris akama